It's a 2017 Honda Pilot. Premium space, spirited performance, and a healthy dose of fun for everyone makes this the perfect crossover SUV for the entire family. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love. V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, auto-dimming rear view mirror, dual zone climate control, remote engine start, AM/FM satellite radio, power sliding and tilting sunroof, doors and push-button start proximity key, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend reports Honda has redefined an already capable package in ways that should spike its desirability index with both core and conquest buyers. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Contact Jim Ellis Volkswagen of Atlanta today or stop on by. We're conveniently located inside I-285 on Peachtree Industrial.